Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalia, health and fitness coach, and today in this video I will show you 3 fat loss meals I eat on repeat and high protein, low calories, and you can easily stick to your fitness goals, lose body fat or maintain your weight, but in the same time you're gonna enjoy it because the meals are so simple but so yummy. Let's get started. Let me show you everything I bought on a budget for my meal prep. So here we go. This is chicken breast, marinated for last couple of hours. This is mince, pork and beef. And this is chicken legs, also marinated. So mozzarella cheese, 1 onion, cherry tomatoes, cottage cheese, buckwheat, tomatoes, coriander, 2 eggs, salad, some pasta. So why it's weight loss meals? Because it's low calories and high in protein. That's what we need. And so simple. What I like about those meals is so yummy and easy to make. And especially the first one, which I will start, it's chicken bake. It's so easy to make. So I will use today oven, air fryer and pan. Everything. When you're trying to lose body fat, first thing you should do, you should buy kitchen scales to measure everything. Then you can create a calorie deficit. So I already measured everything and let's start. This is my marinated chicken. We add chicken. It's an easy marination. Salt, pepper, what else? Crushed red pepper flakes, sea salt and black pepper, garlic, what else? And yogurt. That's it. Tomatoes, cottage cheese, homemade, 2 eggs, coriander, and all mix well. Look at the colors. Mozzarella cheese, 50 grams. Yeah, you don't need too much, it's enough. So I didn't add salt and pepper because my chicken had it, and I think it's enough. It's enough. So now we're gonna bake for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Yeah, let's see. Nice. Okay, now we start second meal. It's meatballs. So here's 500 grams of ground meat, so pork and beef. To my meat, I will add 1 onion, garlic, and salt and pepper. That's it. It's ready. And we add 2 mince. So now we'll add salt and pepper and coriander. Now I add all 2. You have to try this recipe, seriously. The combination of simple ingredients make it so yummy. Yeah, sea salt and lots of black pepper. If you like black pepper, add it. You can also add some chili flakes. Maybe I will add chili flakes. I don't know. More flavor, you know? Chili flakes. Yeah, baby. More. Okay. And again, mix everything well. Seriously. On Sunday evening, you know, if you want to prepare meals like this for next week, yeah, do it. Let's first prepare those balls. Like this. Yeah. How many? I always count. Because I'm a personal trainer, you know, always counting reps, sets. Now I'm counting meatballs. When middle of the night, when I can't sleep sometimes, I'm counting elephants, so it helps me to sleep. like 1, 2, 3 till 100. And when I reach 100 elephants, I sleep. Oh, that's not too many, actually. Okay, nice. Look at this. Guys, it's so simple. I don't know. When people tell me, or my clients or friends, they don't have time to cook, I don't believe them, because it's so easy. Super easy. You just buy meat, or you can make at home mince. Actually, it's better when you make at home, but I just bought it. Oh my god. The smell. Oh, it's unreal. Smell from onion. That's unreal. Oh my god. Look at this. So how many? How many of those boys? Okay. Much fun, huh? I don't know. I love food. I love to create some meals, and I love to prepare meals, and then whole week I have food to eat, you know, and especially when I'm cutting and I want to lose weight or maintain my weight, you know, because I love food. I love good food, and sometimes I eat even more than I should. But if you eat things like this, you know, you should not worry about gain some fat, because it's good one. It's a high protein and low calorie. But depends how much you eat, because if I eat everything, it will be too much. All right, done. So let's fry. Yep, not too much. I will boil pasta here. Wow. 150 grams. I will add my tomatoes, chopped, and a juice. So let's go. And I add some water as well. A little bit of salt. Black pepper. And chili flakes. If you like spicy, add a lot. Look at my pasta and meatballs. Nice. Another 5-10 minutes. And we need some Parmesan cheese. Why not? Not too much, but why not? When you're trying to lose weight, you have to measure everything and understand the calories. Okay, 25. Perfect. Let me add some to my meatballs and some to my plate. How's pasta? Oh, al dente. Ready. Second meal done. And third meal, buckwheat and chicken legs, marinated for last couple of hours. I will share all the marination for my chicken bake, for legs, and in description box, so you can steal my meal plan. But it's so simple. It's so simple, but so yummy. Okay, let's finish my cooking today. So I will use air fryer. Yeah, let's go. And I will boil buckwheat. So first I will wash and boil for maybe 15-20 minutes and make salad. I'm gonna use olive oil spray. And let's go. 1, 2. Megazone. So what we're gonna use? Air fryer, 20 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. Start. This is my buckwheat. Oh my god. Meatballs. Pasta. And now we'll take chicken bake out. So hot. Have to be careful. Oops. Looks good, huh? Oh, I don't know what I want to eat today first. Everything's so good. So yummy. I don't know. I will try everything, I think. I just want to show you how good it is. How simple. Okay, so now I have to make salad. Because it's already washed and ready to eat. Yeah. Ready to eat. That's it. I can of course add tomatoes, but I don't want to. So I will add only quarter of avocado. Just this much. You know why? Because of course it's healthy, but too many calories. So if you want to lose weight, you have to watch avocado, healthy stuff. You should eat it, but in moderation. So that's enough for me. So this is keep in the fridge. So not too much of cucumber, because I like salad fresh. Every day I make a new salad, so I just make it for today. So nothing really special. Then onion. So give it like good 10-15 minutes, so it will be soft and nicer and so simple. You can add here as well tomatoes and radish. I don't know, I just made simple one because my favorite meals are already so flavored, you know. You don't need to add more flavor here, just sell it. Just getting ready containers. Oh, still hot. My plate for today and salad. Okay, let's check it out. 5 more minutes. Wow. Yes, guys. Another 5 minutes. Almost ready. Buckwheat. I added a little bit of water. This is chicken bake for 2 portions. Let me show you how this cut looks like. Oh my god. Love your life. How we say. Love your life. Look. Huh? Perfect. Wow. Oh my god, it's so juicy. See? Juice. So honestly, this chicken bake, I made it 2 times and shared it in a short video, so I will add to description. But if you try this one, you're gonna love it. You're gonna make it all the time because it's so easy. You just mix all ingredients and bake. That's it. That's it. You can make for 4 servings, 4 portions. I made only 2. So let's divide on 2 servings. So we divide on 2 portions here. Look at them. Look at this. And this is gonna be now in my stomach. cheese, pasta, meatballs, salad. This is my favorite now. And this is my favorite. And this is my favorite. Oh my god. Can you imagine? Everything is so healthy, low calories, and high protein. Finished my cooking, and as you see, it's not complicated. It's so easy, especially this one, chicken bake. It's so easy. Meatballs as well, not too hard. This air fryer is so simple. And I think on Sundays, Saturdays, when you have time, you always can prepare those meals. And most important, those meals on a budget. So you can prepare. You can eat healthy meals and lose weight. If your goal is to lose weight, you can do it. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. So let me know if you like videos like this, if you want me to cook more and show you some fat loss or meals on budget, let me know. And now I'm gonna eat it. I wanna eat it. I wanna enjoy. I wanna smash. This is so good. Should we try? Yes. Oh my god. I wanna try everything actually. I knew it's gonna be good. Let's see. Pasta. Guys and girls, why I cook so good? I don't know. Once you try my meals, you will understand. Oh. 10 out of 10. Salad goes here as well. But I have to try my chicken bake. Cheesy one. Oh my god, everything's so good. I just... Chicken is very soft. I just want to eat this. Now I have to eat this.